Here are some supplies that you'll need for today's DIY. Hi guys, today we are going to do a quick DIY. I actually started this project before I was going to videotape it, but since I am since I'm working on my craft table, I just figured I'd videotape it. So I'm actually going to go backwards because I already kind of started. And today what we are going to do is just make some paperclip bows for our planners, our travel notebooks, your junk journals, and the like. So I got these from the dollar store, the Dollar Tree actually. These were $1, and they're scrunchy. And then I got these. It came 4 in the pack for $2 from Primark. So I got these from Primark, which was 4, and how they come is with a little alligator clip on the back, and it has some glue stuck on there, and it as this one, and it's on the back. So for my first one, I guess I'll do this one, is I took the alligator clip apart. I have what was under it, this green band. Let me actually pull this up. Okay. So this green band was already on here, and I've actually used rubber bands in place, but this looks like string. And then this was actually covering. So it's already glued, so I just peeled this off, and what I'm going to do is wrap it back around with a paper clip. Here's my paper clip, so that we can hang it in our planner, and we'll just wrap it back around like that. Alright, so on the back I am just going to use a little glue, and then we're going to wrap this around, and then I'll show you guys from the beginning with me taking it off. Let's see, hopefully this is hot enough. Got some glue, and I'm going to put the longer part, just move some around so that the paper clip gets in there, and then we are going to put that tab. Make sure you get it in place before the glue gets hot. Before the glue actually gets hard. And then we are going to pull this. Let's see, how am I doing? Pull it through the paper clip and onto the back. And then we are going to clean up a little bit of this glue. Actually, I got some tweezers right here. So for the excess glue, there we go. And then to close it, I'm going to do another dab. A little dab will do ya. Got that paper clip in there. And then just a little dab on the inside where we're going to fold it up. Just a little dab. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then I am going to fold up, press hard. Gonna let that get hard. Hopefully it won't get on my nails too much, because I just got these done. And then I'm going to actually take some scissors. Do I have my small scissors here? I don't have my sharp scissors. And cut off that green from the string that came on the bow. No, I need my sharp ones, but I'll get that. And so now we have a paperclip bow for our planner, and it was cheap and it was cute. There we go. Alright, so now let's do, well, actually I already started this one, so I'm actually just going to finish it really quick. Remember, a little dab will do ya. The glue is hot. Remember that. The glue is hot. So you definitely, this is not a project you want to do with your kids because the glue is hot. Again, I repeat, the glue is hot. So I'm just going to smear it around and then I'm just going to press. These are super cute, guys. And so now I have a white one. Well, eggshell. And I'll just let it sit and get hard. And this is the bow that came from Primark. And I didn't come up with this concept. I actually got this concept from KSP Louisa. I'll leave a link to her YouTube page, her YouTube channel. I actually got that from her. So you're going to pull gently because you don't want to pull the whole ribbon apart. But you want to be able to get the alligator clip off. There we go. Boom. And this one has a rubber band around it. Like I said, I use a rubber band when I'm doing these. So here's the actual bow. I'm going to take a gold paper clip, and I'll leave a link to where I got the paper clips from. Got them off of Amazon. So I have gold, and then I also have rose gold, which is like my favorite, is rose gold. And you're going to use the biggest part is where you're actually going to glue. So I'm going to glue it right in here. So again, took the paper clip, put it over, and I'm going to glue it right here, and then I'll take my tweezers and pull both ends up and around. Alright, so I'll pull that up so you guys can see. And again, a little dab will do ya. Just move that glue around. Of course, it will come off after it sat there on its own. Take your tweezers or whatever tool that you are going to use to assist before it gets hot. I mean, before it gets hard. Put it on there. Press down on it. And if you're afraid to mess up your tweezers, use the alligator clip because you've already pulled it off, so it's no more good to you. It's trash. And then I'm going to put a little bit of glue, just a little, and pull it back around over to cover. And again, I repeat, the glue is hot, so you just want to get it into place. And then you just want to clean up around it. And voila. This glue gets everywhere. But you got to get it before it gets hard. Cool. Alright, so then we got we have 3. Alright, let's just do one more. Let's just do a pink one, because I actually have pink in my planner. Oh, I also have white too. I forgot about this white one, but I didn't get it off the back here. Alright, so let's see what we can do with this one. So this one is super glued on. And you don't even have to put the same ribbon back on there. You can have a different color ribbon like that. I actually do have, I think I have some pink that I can actually switch up with, and it might look like that. This one is so far down in the cut, so I have to first loosen it up. All right, so I got that in there. Now let's see if I can pull it apart. Because whoever this company is that Primark has paid to do these, or bought these from, bam, they did an excellent job of wrapping these up. Alright, so I got the one side off, and now I just need to pull. Now, when you're pulling it apart, hold both of the ribbons together, especially if they have two, but hold the bow part together and gently pull, and bam. So if you did that really well, the rubber band is still intact. And then you just have that alligator clip. And I think I'll do a rose gold. I love these. I love rose gold, period. Let's see. Yeah, I'll do rose gold. And I'm going to slip that in. So that side is open. Both sides are open. But I am going to glue, I'll tell you, right here in that little hump. Right here. I'm going to glue it with the paper clip. Get that ribbon ready. There we go. Alright, so again, my motto is a little dab will do ya. A little glue. Of course, it would come out. Getting my tabs really quick to get it in place. And I still have a little bit more glue, but I wanted to get it in place really quick. You're going to press on it. Clean up as you go with this glue. Then that way it doesn't get hard too quick. And so I'm going to just get a little glue up under here to hold her down. Just a little squirt. There she goes. Press, press, press. Using the bottom end of my tweezers. And see how quick that was? And we just did 4. So you can do these as you're watching TV. And again, some of them were $1, some of them were $2. You got from Primark, there were $2 for 4 of them. And from the Dollar Tree, there was 1 each. And oh, I used silver there. I just had some silver ones laying around, so I didn't get that from a pack. But I will leave these paper clips in the description down below, guys, so that you can purchase your own. And then look how cute. You can put them on the front, you can put them in the back, you can put them in the middle of your planners. And just have loads of decor. Voila! Alright guys, thanks for joining me for today's quick DIY. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button down below to be the first to know when there's a new video posted to this channel. Bye now!